Okay guys, I'm going to unbox a limitless battery 100 amps 25K. I just got it today. This is my first video, my first unboxing video. We'll see how it goes. It's not easy to record with one hand, but nobody's perfect, I guess. I just got it today. But this is enough for my 4DC level 515s. 3500 RMS at piece. This should be enough. Oh wow, this is well packaged. Oh my god. Wow. And yeah. Limitless. Oh yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. I'm gonna try to get this out. See if it's gonna be possible or not. Man, so excited. So excited about this bad boy. I've seen videos on YouTube, but nobody showed exactly, how it is. So I'm doing this for other people to see how it looks like. Wow, looks amazing. This thing is 57 pounds, I believe so. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna try to get it out of there. I'm gonna put my phone here for now. Okay, for a minute. Okay, let's get it out. There's not much light here, but I'm recording with my iPhone. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's a little dark in here. It's not much light, but you guys get the idea, right? Limitless lithium 100 amps for 25K. From now on, I just gonna start to try to upload more videos to show you guys my setup and everything. Okay, this be it. Peace.